Understanding being overshadowed. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, being overshadowed. It's a phrase that pops up in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments. Stick around as we explore what it means, how to use it, and share some examples to help you master the concept. Let's get started. Being overshadowed refers to a situation where someone or something receives less attention, recognition, or importance than someone or something else. It's like being in the shadow of another person's achievements or qualities. This can happen in any scenario where comparison is involved, whether it's between coworkers, siblings, or even projects. Let's look at a few examples to better understand how this phrase can be used. 1. In the workplace. Imagine two colleagues working on a project, but only one gets credit for its success. The other colleague, despite having contributed significantly, might feel overshadowed by their peer. 2. In families. Sometimes, a child might feel overshadowed by a sibling's accomplishments, feeling as though their own achievements are less valued or noticed by their parents or family members. 3. In relationships. One partner might feel overshadowed by the other's social life or career, feeling less important or overlooked. These examples show how feeling overshadowed can impact a person's confidence and perception of their value in different aspects of life. Understanding the context is crucial for using this phrase correctly. Here are some sentences to help you get started. Despite her hard work, she felt overshadowed by her more experienced colleague. He didn't want his achievements to overshadow his sister's graduation. The sequel was good, but it was overshadowed by the success of the original movie. Notice how the phrase can be adjusted slightly to fit different grammatical structures and meanings. Being overshadowed is a powerful phrase that helps convey feelings of being overlooked or undervalued. Whether you're using it to describe personal feelings or to analyze literature and art, understanding this phrase can add depth to your English language skills. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and that you feel more confident using being overshadowed in your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.